Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to write a Python program to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I am declaring a variable Celsius equal to float of input of enter the temperature in Celsius. Now I am converting it into Fahrenheit. I am declaring a variable Fahrenheit equal to Celsius plus 32 into 1.8. I am printing result. Print the temperature in Fahrenheit equal to Fahrenheit. So I am printing the result. Now executing the program. Enter the temperature in Celsius. I am entering 50 degree. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 147.6. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.